Alright everybody, welcome back here. So now we're in Nakameguro. This place is a lot more crowded in the spring because the cherry blossoms are in bloom, but it's summer now and it's still pretty beautiful. You can see the trees. They line the Meguro River and still very scenic here. And we're gonna also walk through the neighborhood here. Like Nakameguro is a place where the affluent live. Wealthy celebrities and expats often call this their home here. But yeah, lots of nice neighborhoods here. Not many, there are a few tourists, but not that many compared to other places. But yeah, we'll take a walk through here, so glad to have you with us again. Alright, so here we go on our walk, starting out at the bridge here, Sakura Bridge. We're gonna walk up the river here. See some shops. Not that crowded as you can see. There are tourists here, but it's not anything crazy today. There's train tracks up there. The rail station's not far from here, actually. There's a view from the other side of the river. Beautiful. I did say there wasn't supposed to be a lot of tourists, but here they are. Not that many, though. Nice shops. It's an interesting looking shop there. Old times. A pink frog. Pink frog. Yeah, I do like pink frogs. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we are, one of the landmarks here. This is the biggest Starbucks Reserve Roastery in the world in Nakameguro, right next to the Meguro River. It even has its own guard right there. He's keeping watch, and you got the upper levels. The terraces up there for viewing, and yeah, this is the biggest Starbucks Reserve Roastery in the world here in Nakameguro. Alright, this is the inside of the roastery. There's somebody making coffee right there in his machine. Everybody's excited. Look at all people, other people taking videos. This is a big moment here. Very big moment. It seems. If you like coffee, that is a lot of beans there. And there's the rest of the place, you can see. A lot of coffee. Lots of coffee here. Interesting place. Some other side view of it. Yeah, if you like coffee, you should definitely come here. Check it out. More coffee making, food making over there actually. Starbucks. Starbucks. This is a cool place. Up here. Alright, this is Sugekari Park. This is just off to the side of the Meguro River, here in Nakameguro as well. Quite beautiful here. More scenic than I was expecting, actually. A nice park here. Some kids there playing. Alright, here's a central part of the park here, Sugikari Park. It's a, I think, a stored tea house right there. Yeah. Here's more of the park here. It looks really beautiful up in here. I almost missed it, but I'm glad I got here. Nice little pond there. Beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, so peaceful here. Beautiful. We're pretty close to the rail station here. There's some shops under the tracks here. Nakameguro Kokoshi, as it's called. And there's quite a long line for donuts. That's insane. Must be really good donuts there. Look how long. Look how long that line is. Should go across the tracks. Downtown there. There's a station. Alright, this is the other side of Nakameguro. Also busy here. Side street. Right next to the tracks again. Shops there. Under the tracks. This is Yutenji Temple. This is the grave of a famous Buddhist monk here. It's a bit off to the side of Nakameguro, but I just thought I'd come here. I've not been here before. It looks pretty big. Not many tourists around. It's kind of hidden. A few, but not many. Beautiful place. Peaceful. Yeah, I like this place. A lot of trees here. You can get some torii gates within the Buddhist temple. Mix of Shintoism there. And here's a Buddha statue. Graveyard over there. Yeah, nice place. All right, everybody. So that's it for our walking tour here of Nakameguro. We saw a few places, but we started here and we're going to end here at the Meguro River. But we saw some other places. We saw the largest Starbucks coffee roastery in the world. We saw a park. We saw side streets, and we saw a temple. But thanks everybody for joining. So just let me know maybe in the comments what was your favorite place, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like these videos here. So see you later.